What's up guys, it's Amos in motion here. We are starting this episode from Nairobi city. We are actually going to board a matatu. Together with me here is my family. My wife right there and baby Siobhan is right there. Yeah. So here's our bag. I'm struggling to push it around. So let's go guys.
Down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promised sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be.
Hi guys, we arrived at a town called Narok. So we are currently in transit to the village, and we arrived in a town called Narok. Narok is just midway. We are midway currently, and it's a journey of around about 6 hours. So currently we have done 3 hours already, and we're remaining with 3 hours. So Narok is the nearest town actually to the big Masai Mara, or the famous Masai Mara National Park. So guys, we just bought some food. Yeah? 3.5. Kutoka Nairobi hadi hapa ndio 3 hours. Lakini ingekuwa private ingekuwa 3 hours to home. We bought some food guys. See here, some fries. And now we headed back to the vehicle to continue with our journey. This is the car or the van we are using to travel. It's called Cruiser. Yeah.
But you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
So guys, we finally arrived at home. This is me standing outside our gate. This is the gate that leads to our home here. Finally we are in the village. I'm so excited. I have already said hi to almost everybody. Yeah, my mom, my sisters-in-law, my brothers, and also my nephews and nieces. Yeah, but it's late. It's almost 6 p.m. so it's a bit late right now. Okay, that's home. Guys, it is raining, you can see. No, 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 no. No, Mario, stop, stop.
Me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promised sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows, you take me to every extreme. Can't get enough.
Hi guys, so finally we arrived at home. This is actually the second day. So yesterday we arrived and today is the second day. It has been raining so much. Currently I'm standing here outside our house and it's really raining, but at the moment it's kind of drizzling because the rain has gone down. But let me show you how our homestead looks like. This is how an African homestead looks like in the village. Yeah, I'm standing from our house and this is how our homestead looks like, looking good. It's so green here and it has raining. You can see the water down here, a lot of water. It is still raining but not that much. So I'm taking shelter here at these corners of the house. That is one of my brother's house. For those who know Crispin, that's their house, the dad's house. So that's their home. And this is one of my other brother's house. So that one is the house of the firstborn. This one here is the house of the secondborn. And this is my mom's kitchen right here. And this is my mom's house. I cannot be able to show you all of it, but that's how it looks like. So those are the two brothers who have homes at the moment, and still remaining 4 of us who have not actually built our houses here. So let me go to this other side. You can see some construction materials here and there. Yeah. So most of these construction materials are for our firstborn. Is like Crispin, his father, is the one who poured here material. So he has plans to build a bigger house, but for the moment that's what he calls his home. Okay, yeah, so that's how it is. And some of these materials also belong to our third born. Yeah, the third born. So remaining the fourth born right here. So I also need to make plans to start actually buying materials for construction. I just got outside the gate. It's actually kind of drizzling still, so I don't know if this might affect my camera, but I'm shielding it a little bit. This is the last gate to get to the road. And actually one thing I wanted to show you also is this land right here. So my dad told me this is where, if I need to build a house, this is where my house will be. This land here where you are seeing napier grass, this is napier grass. This is where I'm supposed to build my dream home. Okay, and that's our gate getting to the home. This land here used to belong to us. It used to be ours, but my dad sold it some time back. So right now it's someone else who owns it.